If Discord has been feeling a little sluggish, glitchy, or not using your computer the way you want, hardware acceleration is one setting worth checking. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn hardware acceleration on or off in Discord on your PC, step by step. It only takes a minute, and it can help you choose whether Discord should use your graphics card for smoother performance or keep things a little more lightweight on your system. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open Discord on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once Discord is open, look down near your username in the bottom left corner. You'll see a gear icon next to your name, and that is where all of your user settings are located. Click that gear icon to open the settings menu. Now that you're inside user settings, take a moment to look at the left-hand sidebar. Discord has a lot of options here, so don't worry if it looks crowded. Scroll down through the settings until you find the Advanced section. Depending on your version of Discord, it may be a little lower in the menu, so just keep scrolling until you see it. Once you click Advanced, you'll see different performance and system options. The setting you want is hardware acceleration. This is the option that tells Discord whether to use your computer's GPU or graphics hardware to help process the app more efficiently. If you want to enable it, simply turn the toggle on. If you want to disable it, switch the toggle off. This is the main step, and it's very straightforward, but it's also the most important one. Turning it on can sometimes improve performance and make Discord feel smoother, especially if your computer has a capable graphics card. Turning it off can sometimes help if you're dealing with display issues, crashes, freezing, or performance problems. After you change the toggle, Discord will usually ask you to confirm the change. You may see a button that says OK or Relaunch. Click that button so Discord can refresh and apply the new setting. In most cases, Discord will restart quickly, and when it comes back up, the hardware acceleration setting will be updated. And that's it. You've now learned how to turn hardware acceleration on or off in Discord on PC. If Discord was acting up before, this simple setting change may help improve your experience. And if you just wanted to control how Discord uses your system resources, now you know exactly where to find it. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy guides like this one. It really helps the channel grow, and I've got more Discord and software tutorials on the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.